You know what time it is, guys?
It's review time.
Yay!
Are we starting already?
We are totally starting. Where have
the
you
other
been?
paper?
I don't know.
Where's the learning target?
We're doing review for Common Assessment 2.
I did a learning target for the review.
Miss Green is still looking for a paper from her last video. I don't know what happened to it.
Oh, it's over there.
Oh. So, review for Common Assessment 2. Your test is starting Thursday and it's going to end on Friday. It's a big one. It's equations, inequalities,
And-
linear relationships. I mean, it's like everything we've done this unit. Your learning target. We will review all concepts for Common Assessment 2.
All the concepts were just listed by Coach Groves a minute ago.
Yes.
Or that, perfect.
Next.
Yep. Okay, equations. A review on this. Both sides are equal, so that means whatever's on one side equals whatever's on the other side. You're going to solve for x. Remember your steps. Eliminate your constant, not illuminate.
Not illuminate, just eliminate.
Eliminate.
That
We
means
don't-
to get
We don't need to
rid of
make
it.
it bright. We need to make it go away.
Get rid of it.
So eliminate your constant by adding or subtracting. Then isolate your variable or make it single. You only want one.
Mm-hmm.
So the x and
or the B or the W, whatever letter is in
Yes.
the place for the variable.
whatever
Yep.
letter is there, make it alone. It wants to be alone. And do that by multiplying or dividing.
Yep.
Let's practice. I've got negative 15 plus 5x equals 2030.
Yeah, it's a good problem, Coach Groves. Are you ready?
Okay, we're going to add 15 here because
Why? What is that called?
Inverse operation of this minus 15 is add 15.
So can I guess and check them?
No, you have to use inverse operations.
Oh, I have
You
to.
have to do
use
the
inverse
opposite of
operation.
what is going
Such a
on.
rule breaker.
You are a rule breaker. So we've got 2045 equals 5x. We're going to divide by 5. You ready for this? You ready for this? I got this totally. X equals, we've got 490.
409. Be careful.
409. I tried.
409, there we go.
X equals 409. I was trying to be super cool like Miss Newsom and do the math in my head and it didn't work. So X equals 409.
We all can't be like Miss Newsom.
Yeah, we all wish.
Stop.
Miss Green
We're gonna make
decided to
bracelets.
ruin our like thing with a
it's
butterfly.
It's a butterfly flying through the air.
But inequalities. They
A
are,
little review on inequalities.
they are not equal. So the butterfly does not equal something.
Does he have a face? He didn't even have a face. I was gonna
Butterflies have
Here we go.
faces?
All right, I don't know. Just keep going.
We've got greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. They're solved just like two-step equations. But there is one rule. If you divide or multiply by a negative, you will flip the sign. Is the rest of that on the other side? or
Multiply
something?
or divide by a negative.
You flip the sign.
Yeah. Sorry about that.
That's okay. I told them. They know it. So, negative 4x minus 20 is greater than 16. I kind of like this problem because I see what you did.
Yeah.
What's the inverse operation of minus 20?
To add 20 to both
Okay,
sides.
add 20. Add 20. 16 plus 20 is 36.
Mm-hmm.
Bring down this sign. If you put an equal sign there, you are not doing the right thing. It's a greater than sign.
Yes.
Bring down the minus 4x. I see a lot of people forget about that negative.
I do too. You guys, you can't forget about this guy. He's gonna
It's
be
still
out
there.
here on his own. It's still there. It still needs to be accounted for.
Yes. Now I'm going to divide by negative 4. Uh-oh.
You see what I did there?
Divide by negative 4.
Whoa.
X is
Whoa.
less than
And one's positive and one's negative.
negative 9.
Okay, can I say something real
Talk
quick?
about a seashell.
Can I
Absolutely.
say something real quick? Okay, so one thing that I've seen, am I in the camera?
I was making sure.
One thing that I've seen is whenever, let's say the problem was just a little bit different.
Yeah.
Let's say it was like, I'm just making up numbers. Okay, and you go ahead and you subtract your 5 on this side, subtract your 5. By the way, I am writing upside down for those of you guys that are super impressed.
Yeah.
Okay, that goes away. You've got to bring down
The negative.
this negative. I saw you guys miss that so
Oh,
much on your
so
test.
much.
So I'm not here to finish the problem. I just really wanted to show you from here to here. You cannot,
You cannot forget your negative. Let's finish her sentence for her.
my word is can, and then ought.
Don't forget your negatives. Negatives are important.
Okay, whatever sign is in front of the number goes with that.
Yes.
So
goes
if
with
you get
that value.
confused and it has a positive and you want to bring it down, bring it down.
Bring it in.
So now let's graph this on a number line. We've got this.
There's our
X
answer.
is less than, I'm going to write it here, is less than negative 9.
So what I always tell my class to do when they're graphing is to put -9 in the middle.
I put
to
-9
kind of
in the middle.
Get a range. And
That's
two
what I
numbers
do.
over here and 2 over there.
I just do 1 because I don't care about 2. That's my thought. But you can do whatever you want.
I only
Miss
do
Green
2.
only does
I do
like
2 on each side.
I do 1.
Yeah, Miss
do?
Green puts like -9.
My class, don't get
you?
any ideas. You're still doing 2 on each side.
Oh yeah, no. Mine looks like this.
Yeah, she just does -9.
and then I circle it, and
Yeah.
then I shade. What
She
it
just
is.
does the
all
one.
you do?
That's
So
all she
X is
does.
less
Oh.
than, so I'm done.
So this is Green, this is Groves, and this is Newsom.
Yeah,
Right there.
isn't that funny? We're all 3 different. It's okay. We're allowed
and you
to be
know
different.
what? Newsom's kids, if you want to do it my way, it's not going to be wrong.
Of
It's
course not.
It's just not the way she wants it, but she's not going to hate you. She's
And
gonna
Miss
love
Green
you.
and Miss Groves got, if you want to do the extra so you can visualize
the
it.
reason why I do it my way with that 1 on each side is I look at it and I go, okay, first off, do I need to open or close my circle? I leave it open, as Miss Newsom puts in the rest of her numbers. I leave it open, and then I leave it open because it's not equal to. And then I use these 2 numbers that are there. Is -10 less than -9?
I believe it is.
It is. And then I look at the other one, because I have to do them both. Is -8 less than
No, it's
-9?
greater than.
I just plug those numbers in for X. That's all I do. And then I realized I had to shade this way.
You figure out which one makes it true.
Which one
and
makes it
left
true?
is always less, right is more.
That sounds like something I used to say.
Maybe I took that from somebody wiser than me.
Less is
Less.
Less is
less
less.
is left.
So, anyways, that is your review for your test. We've talked about linear relationships. That will be on your test as well. We didn't do that in the review because you did it yesterday in class.
As part of your
As
review.
part of a review.
Yeah.
You'll talk about it in class, but we really wanted
Forms
to
a straight
review.
line.
Yeah, we really wanted to review this part for you because it's been about a week and a half since you've seen it. A week and a half.
About a week ago.
Yeah. So I hope you guys have a great day. Oh,
And you
Miss-
guys, you know, this is it. Like, you're
Yeah.
going to get tested on this. This is your district test. And you need to come see us. We're giving you time. You should be watching this Tuesday night. We're going to review a little bit. I'm sorry. Yeah, Tuesday night.
Tuesday or Wednesday night. I'm
One
not
of the
sure
2.
when we're going to
Oh,
do
no,
it.
it's Wednesday night. You're right. Wednesday
Yeah.
night. So that means that tomorrow you're going to start your test, but we're going to do about 20 minutes of review.
Yes.
You've got to make sure that you talk to us during that time because if
Have
you don't,
questions.
We're not going to know what to help you with, and we're just going to assume that you're ready for this test, and we want you to feel confident.
Yes.
So
Come with
study hard,
questions.
come see us for tutorials or whatever. Just
You can all do this.
Yeah,
You've got this.
look at, as a review, look at all your old tests you've taken.
or go back and look at your other
Look
videos.
at your old videos. Look at your old tests.
the
Find
old
out what you
videos
need
would be
help
awesome.
with and be like, this is my question. So I want every single one of you to come with a question tomorrow.
Please, every
All
single
of
one
you.
Okay.
Okay,
See you
peace out.
tomorrow. Bye.